afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for December 14th, 2016. It's about 8 minutes after the close. We just had a wonderful session on Simpler Stocks Gold. Just so you know, we have this tomorrow. The simpler trading, really simpler stocks and simpler options, my Brecher ledge trade. When the market's going straight up like now, you'd think you wouldn't be able to find ledges. Go to Google, and the first person that comes up about ledges is me. So if you want to learn about ledges, tomorrow the class at Wednesday from 6 to 8. I'm telling you right now, a lot of people think they spot ledges, but they don't know how to trade them. So just keep that in mind that it will be doing that tomorrow. So to give you an idea of how of what happened today in the market, the march toward 20,000. And I'm telling you right now, I'm going to go put up the futures on the left over here. And you're going to see the ES is up 1775. That's not what I want you to watch. I want you to watch the industrials up 114. They got to within 47 points of 20,000. A lot of times the market doesn't sell off until it gets to that level, and we got close, but no cigar in there. That's number one in here. Dow futures up 141. We have the ES, like I said, up 1775. NASDAQ acted pretty darn well until the very close, up 72. You had the Russell up $1.40, underperformed all day. We had a little bit of a rotation into the NASDAQ, into the bonds, out of the Russell. You had the advanced decline today, very muted in here, up about 495. You had gold and silver getting whacked again. Crude oil doing much of nothing. Transports, guess what? Up again in here. You also had the VIX up a bit. What we're seeing is a lot of activity in January. A lot of people think, and we talk about this on the Simpler Stocks Premium side all the time, is that a lot of people seem to postpone their short-term gains until next year, figuring that short-term gains are taxed at ordinary income. If the tax rate goes down next year, they could have a big tax savings. That's why you're seeing a lack of aggressive selling in here. So just keep that in mind. We also have the Nikkei up 210. Chinese market coming back on the far left over here, coming back in here after a big whackage yesterday, and the German DAX up about a little less than 1%. You have the put-call ratio still very low in here. So where does all this put us? Number one, market seems destined to try to go to 20,000. Second thing in here, even with that, there's certain sectors that just seem like they don't want to go up now. We're going to go over those on the premium side. Anything from some of the FANG stocks that the second the market weakens, they go straight down, to things like the defense stocks, the retailers, even some of the steel stocks not acting great today, and the airlines having another day sort of mixed. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Like I said, my ledge class is tomorrow. And don't forget, we still have the 30-day $7 trial for the silver side, where you get the chat room in the morning, the premium videos in our email alerts. The email alerts include the stock trades and chart ideas. I try to come up with at least 6 every morning. I go over the index and futures charts. I always think those lead the market, so you need to know those first. And unusual options activity, I don't post 100 ideas. I just post what I think will work. And so just to give you an idea, we did one a couple of days ago and it worked great. So everybody have a great night. I hope you could go and sign up for our ledge trade class, and I will talk to you tomorrow.